All right, look, this is one of my clients, right? This is where his last barber lined him up, and this is where his hair is growing back. That is the definition of a pushback. Hey, what's going on YouTube? It's Drew Cut It, and today I'm gonna be teaching you how to fix a pushback hairline. So the first step is to brush all the hair forward, preferably a brush. I wouldn't really go with a comb because that doesn't really lay the hair down. What you want to do is you want to bring every single hair forward so that you can create a new line. In addition to the first step, I would also say to cut down the tapered hairline so everything's at an even level. Because if you have a pushback hairline, then you don't want it to be dark at the top and then light at the bottom. So I would say to cut it all down to an equal length so that everything is symmetrical. Then you want to go in with some Pump It Up spray. It's really good stuff, about $3 at the hair store. You just get that and spray it all over. This spray does a really good job at locking the hair in place. And then right after that, you go back in with your brush to make sure you get every single hair laid down. That Pump It Up spray is gonna really help with laying the hair down and creating a natural ash line without having to use a pencil or anything like that. That's not to say that a pencil isn't good. It is actually really good in contrasting the hairline from the actual skin, but the Pump It Up spray does a really good job at that. Where I'm pointing at right now is the lineup that the last barber did. We do not want to go back there because that's just going to continue to make a pushback hairline. So what we want to do is where I'm pointing right now, that's where we want to line it up because that is the lowest point of all of the hairs. Even though the hair does look lighter at the lowest points, enhancements will be able to fix that and the hair will grow back. Alright, so taking my Slimline Pro Allies, I'm cutting at the lowest point of the hairline. And as you can see, it's creating a new line. That is where his hairline is supposed to be at, as opposed to up there where the last barber cut it. If you're getting value in this video so far and it's helping you out, then go ahead and help me out by hitting the like button. I really appreciate it, and it helps grow the channel so that more people can see content that I make. Crispy. You see me tapping that other side, creating that new line, and if you just freeze it here, you can see that we created that new line right there as opposed to that pushback hairline right there. All right, so again, I'm pointing at that old hairline that last barber made, push back, and then you see me with that new line that I just created, where his hairline is supposed to be. So now you see me going in with my Slimline Pro Allies again, just tapping over the hairline, making sure that no hairs are overhanging that line so that it's as sharp as possible. Here's a different angle of me hitting the left side, making sure that I'm hitting at the lowest point and not going into that pushback. Me tapping that vertical bar, making sure that I get that sharp corner. Crispy. Now I'm using Tomb 45 no drip to darken the hairline. I'm applying it with this compressor that I got off of Amazon. Since the hairs that grew back are very light, I'm using this Tomb 45 no drip to darken the line up and make sure that it looks full. I love this Tomb 45 no drip, man. Literally, it lasts 3 to 5 days. It's sweat resistant, water resistant. Really the only thing that would take it out is alcohol. So it'll keep your hairline fresh and dark for a good minute. Hey, if you're still here at this point in the video, I appreciate you a lot, man. It means a lot for real. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you can get notifications on all of my new videos that are coming up. Many new tutorials to come, many new unboxings, vlogs, anything that you can name up, man. It's takeoff season. All right, YouTube, this the cut. This is how you fix a pushback hairline, man. Brought him back to life. Added a little bit of black spray at the end to make sure it popped a little bit more. Man is looking crisp. Boy, Drew cut it, man. Brought him back to life. But hey, if you like it, make sure you leave a like down below. And it's Drew Cut It. We out, man.